Hi everyone! So I was asked to make a quick tutorial for making spoons. I don't make a lot of spoons. I'm sure there are other videos of people who do them like all the time and they're all perfect looking. I make mine to be more fun and rustic because in my opinion, if I want a perfect spoon, I'll go buy a metal one. These are more supposed to be for like display and like, I don't know, just like to make an impression, I guess. So I like them to be a little bit more fun, and I don't particularly go for like the perfect round shape. I like them all like lopsided with like cool sculpture attached to them and like patterns pressed into them, stuff like that. So my basic method is I take a ball of clay and then I start rolling it between my palms until you get whatever thickness of the handle of the spoon you want. I don't really make them super thin, especially because ceramic ones, they can break easily. So you kind of keep it a little thicker, and then sometimes like I'll take a texture pad and I'll like roll a texture into it, okay? And then all I do is I take the ball part at the end and I just kind of pinch pot it and I shape it again into whatever shape I want. You can go crazy and like make it super smooth and like use a sponge and like, whatever you want. It's whatever your purpose is. But yeah, that's basically it. Okay, it takes 2 seconds, and then you know me, I love to like attach a little sculpture to it, and like they do love to sag in the kiln, especially if you're making them out of porcelain. So sometimes like I'll try to do like a little curve like this so that it's already like laying flat in the kiln and it doesn't have a chance to sag. Sometimes you can like prop them sometimes on like even stilts or not, or like a little piece of clay. I have a video where I make like little clay stilts, so those work well. Just put a couple underneath. Again, my clays, I work with porcelains a lot, they love to sag, so I just have to, respect the material that I'm working with and work with that in mind. Okay, that's it. I don't know what else to say. If you have questions, just ask me in the comments, okay? I'll be happy to answer them. But this is how I make a spoon, and obviously you can make any size from tiny ones to bigger ones, It's just a coil rolled and then a pinch pot at the end of it. That's all it is. I hope this was helpful and have a great day. Bye.